I'm back. I'm back. It's been a while. Well, honestly, it's not been a while, but when you're posting daily, even if you miss like 2 days, it feels like a lifetime. But I'm back. Um, been sick been sick for the last few days, so I just been taking a rest. One thing before I get into the e-commerce side, I wanted to mention how it's probably very important. I've learned this myself. Whenever you start feeling down or sick, it you have to think more of the long run, right? We always, humans always tend to look just like in the too short term, and I've made the mistake of like trying to push through it, like, still go to the gym, still wake up early and get like minimal hours of sleep because look, my daily routine isn't optimized for health. So if I just keep doing my regular routine, it'll get worse. And what I've realized is when you're not at the top of your game, your work lacks. So it's better to just, completely relax, take 1 to 2 days off to fully heal, to fully get back into your tip-top shape, so then you can then work at your best, right? Or if you just keep doing what you're doing, and especially if your daily routine like me is not optimized for health, you're just gonna have like half-ass days for like a week plus, because you're just not gonna heal properly. It's gonna take longer. You'll probably get worse, and it's just a mess. So realistically, if you ever feel like you're catching some type of sickness or illness, it's probably better to just take the day or two off. Doesn't mean that you can't learn, but like don't like sleep as much as possible. Maybe don't go work out and eat a lot of good foods. And yeah, maybe just learn, read a lot, watch a lot of videos on whatever business you're doing. But today I want to talk about Q4. Q4 is here. It is like the e-commerce dropshipping holiday for us. It's like our dream, Q4, where everyone makes the so-called money, right? And I'd like to make this video because I know a lot of people are probably, seeing a bunch of dropshipping or e-commerce videos because it's Q4, so people are pumping out, and maybe you're looking into starting it now. And hopefully this video comes to you, not as those brain rot YouTube videos that, try to teach you garbage or push you garbage, but as someone who's, genuinely just wants to show authenticity, to show the truth in this space, who's been in the game for over a year, I'd like to tell you that, this idea of Q4 isn't for you. And my point is because a lot of people are going to try to sell you this Q4, saying that now's the time to do it. Now's the time to get in. It's Q4. You make so much money, Q4. And then usually they have like a program that teaches dropshipping or e-commerce. And they just try to, smash as much sales or clients as they possibly could. But let me tell you something. This e-commerce game is a long game. It's not something that you can just pick up within a month, okay? And this idea of Q4 is really retarded because if you look at it, yes, Q4, there are more buying intention and there are more sales, but realistically, it's only for the $1 million brands, who may be preparing for Q4, and the way they construct their products, especially if it's like a gifting product or, a seasonal product that specifically does well for Q4 because of the time of the season, they're optimizing for Q4. So basically the whole year they're like break even, maybe slightly profitable or maybe slightly unprofitable, but they're optimizing everything. Like they're optimizing creatives, they're optimizing back-end metrics and systems, suppliers, whatever it may be for Q4, because then they're gonna pump ad spend on Q4 because they know now is the time. For us, people that are just starting off, it really doesn't benefit us, because at the end of the day, we don't have an established brand. So we're just trying to sell products, trying to find a product that's going to work for us. And realistically, the Q4 is not going to have a factor on that as much. Maybe it might have a little bit, but it's not a changing factor. It might be like a 5% increase, but a 5% increase on $1,000 day is like $50, where 5% for millions of dollars is like, what's 50,000, whatever. That's it. It goes by relativity. So when you're smaller, it doesn't mean anything, to be honest. And we're just trying to find something that's working for us, trying to find a product that solves a problem that our customer is going to want, and we're going to try to optimize it. But realistically, like, this idea of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 is all irrelevant until we have something working. So it's just, a lot of people on the internet are just trying to sell like this shiny golden object to you. And I'd like to just come into this space with full honesty, saying it's all bullshit. And if you're looking to start e-commerce and dropshipping, I'm all for it. I'm doing it. But it's just like, don't start because it's Q4 and then the second Q4 ends, you stop, right? It's a long-term game. Like, I've been in the game for over a year, and I haven't found anything sustainable. I haven't made a good amount of money in my eyes, right? So it's a long game. So if you want to start getting into it, sure, go ahead, but be prepared to fail. Be prepared to spend a lot of money and time and energy for the next year, even 2. It's not a quick get rich quick easy scheme. It's a business at the end of the day. Dropshipping and e-commerce, dropshipping basically is just a fulfillment method, but it's just any business like you see in the streets or whatever it may be. It's just business, so you're learning business fundamentals, and that takes decades to master. So be prepared. That's all I'm saying. And if you're looking to getting into it, I'm all for it. That's why you have my channel, that I just document my experience. I don't really teach anything. I really just tell people the lessons that I've learned through my current failures, and to give full honesty towards this space, because I know there's a lot of people that don't give honesty. It's all business, right? So, and look, to be honest, I don't blame them, but at the end of the day, that's not my goal. My main goal in life is not to make money off of you or to make money off of social media. It's to be a business owner. So I really just focus on my business. And when it comes to social media, my personal brand, I just surround myself with honesty, truth, and authenticity. And I do believe that brings value to this space, especially in this space that's kind of the opposite. So again, this Q4 idea is all bullshit. But if you're looking to start, congratulations. Welcome to the journey. It's going to be a long and hard one. Pause. But realistically, it's one worth fighting for and working for. It's very fulfilling. Just finding something that you have some purpose in, working towards something. There's nothing better else in the world, because trust me, there's, imagine sitting in a stranded island. Maybe for the first week it may seem nice and relaxing after like the hectic life that we live here, but after a month, trust me, you're gonna probably want to kill yourself. It's gonna get really hard and boring, because at the end of the day, us humans, we need to be able to find our purpose and work towards something that's really what we're meant to do. So providing value in physical products, I think, is probably one of the best things you could do in this world. So realistically, if you're just joining, welcome along. And I hope that this video kind of like just like destroyed all your fucking beliefs in this garbage. And realistically, it's setting you up to like, all right, this is like logically thinking, this is a business, and it takes years to master a business. So, but I'm ready to start now. I want more in my life. I want better. I think and believe that I'm meant for more, and I'm excited to start this path, whatever it is. But yes, I just want to just come in this space, because I know your feed is probably filled with like, oh my god, Q4 this, Q4 that, hop on now, it's gonna be too late. Bro, it's already too late. Like I said, if in order to benefit from Q4, you have to prepare in like a year in advance. You have to have something established. This bullshit that like Q4 technically started today, because I'm recording this on October 1st. People are saying like, oh, it's gonna be late, it's gonna be late. Like, it's bullshit. It's just a sales scheme. You're late, you know. But it doesn't matter. There's Q4s every year, so don't worry about it. Just the earlier the better you start, for sure. But I know, again, I'm very much aware. I'm not brain dead. I'm not stupid or oblivious. I know my videos don't get views, but even if this video found one new person that was feeling like this, or has their feed filled with a bunch of this and was about to get stuck into that trap, I'm happy I saved one person. So good luck on your journey, and if you follow along, or we keep in touch, and we'll work hard together, and eventually, like I always end my videos, I'll see you at the top.